YouTube friends. My name is Gaurang Mahamunkar and once again welcome to my channel. You would be wondering that where has Gaurang disappeared suddenly? No new video for so long. Sorry friends, I was little busy with my school exam, so couldn't upload any videos. But before we begin, I want to tell you something. As per my YouTube analytics, 67.9% of my viewers are not subscribed. Why? Please hit that subscribe button. It's completely free. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so if there is an unwanted person in your photo and you don't want him or her in your photo, so what to do? Okay, let's check it on Google. How to remove a person from a photo. Okay, let's click on enter. Videos. What? They are saying to use Photoshop. I can't afford Photoshop just to remove someone from a photo. So today I'll show you how to remove a person from a photo using a completely free app which is available on your phone. So without further ado, let's get started. So now I am on my phone screen. So first I'll click on Play Store and search for an app called as Snapseed. Okay, so as I've already installed it, I'll just open it. So I'll just click on this plus icon, and for instant, I'll select my father's image. Okay, I'll just click on it. Yes, so after that, you just need to go on Tools, and you can see this option as Healing. You just need to click on that, and after that, you just need to select the person which you want to remove from the background. So I'll just do it quickly. So after you have done that, you just need to click on that tick icon below. As you can see, my father was removed from the photo. Okay, so now I'll just fix some places. So as you can see, we have successfully removed a person from a photo, and this looks so awesome. Instead of using Photoshop, this is the best option. Alright, so after fixing everything, you just need to click on that tick option below again. Wow, this is so good. Alright, so if you like this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Meet you next time. Bye.